A warm welcome everybody, once again here from my little basement-based diecast studio in Bavaria in Germany. Today I want to make a comparison. As you can see, I bought me two Majorette Porsches and two cars from the Matchbox moving part series. And the reason why I thought I can make a comparison between these cars is just the price. If you take a look right here at the background, this one has still the price on it. It costs €5. The other one here too. And these moving parts cars cost €4 each. I don't know what the price is in the rest of the world, but that's what I paid for here in my toy store. I bought them at the same store here in Germany. So let's take a look at them, and let's start with this one here, the 1982 Datsun 280ZX or CX. Well, first thing you will notice is this packaging that is kind of weird in my opinion. I just can guess what the idea behind this is. I mean, when these packages are hanging on the pegs, you can look underneath and check out which car it is. I don't know if that does work out, but I think that's the idea behind. But all in all, yeah, I don't know. I think this just looks a little bit weird, and the problem is you can't, if you want to keep them in the packaging, you just can hang them on a nail or yeah, anything similar, because they don't stand on their own like these. You always have to lean them against something, or yeah. Anyways, so yeah, let's take this one here right out of the packaging. So I think this one has a nice paint job, something between brown and orange, which is kind of cool. Some deco on the hood, some deco on the roof, and a little bit on the back. We got painted taillights. And I don't know what the license plate says. I'm not really sure if this is Japanese. I don't know. I can't read it. Well, first thing I think is a little bit disappointing. It has no painted headlights. And I think for €4, yeah, that's not so good. So this one has some plastic base for sure, and plastic tires, but it has opening parts. In this case, you can open the doors. And you can see nothing, not too much going on in the interior, nothing spectacular. Yeah. So, yeah, that's what you get for €4 from Matchbox. I think we can go on with the other Matchbox car that I bought. This is the 2018 Land Rover Vogue SE. Let's start with the front. We have painted headlights. I like the rims. As I'm always saying, I think they fit on a lot of cars. We got an opening tailgate. And I'm not really sure, but the tailgate seems to have another color. I am not sure if that is how it's supposed to be. So this is more gray than white. Looks a bit strange, and also it doesn't have taillights, which is, in my opinion, also a little bit disappointing. Plastic base, plastic tires for sure. Okay. Well, in my opinion, also a little bit disappointing for €4. Let's put this one also aside. And let's go on with the Majorette Porsches. As you can see, these have rubber tires, a suspension, and also opening parts. Opening hood and opening doors. Let's crack this one open. As you can see, these Porsches come with come in a plastic protection and a cardboard box. The box has some specs on it if you are interested in what the real car is able to do. The problem is that you can't fit the cars into the box with the plastic wrapping. It just doesn't fit in, which is, yeah, which I would call a not so clever packaging. I'm always saying this, if you're familiar with Mini GT, you also get these cardboard boxes, but you can store the car when it's not on display back in there with this plastic protection piece. So, but there's no way that it does fit in this box. Anyways, let's take a look at this Porsche. You can see it's got a roof rack with skis on it, an opening hood. Let's close it. We got inserted headlights. I'm not really sure if I don't think they are part of this inner plastic piece, the windshield and so on. Got the Porsche badge on the hood. And we also got opening the doors. Let's take a look at the back first. Painted taillights. Porsche riding. 911 Carrera S. The interior is a little bit more detailed than in the Matchbox cars. And, as I said, This one has rubber tires, but also a plastic base. And if you are wondering, these Majorette cars normally aren't exactly 1/64 scale, so as you can read here on the base, it says 160. It's got a cool stance. Let's see if it rolls. Rolls really cool. These Majorette cars, I think, are more toys. You can play with them if you like to. And most of them have a suspension. So this one, as you can see, does have one too. So let's go on with this one here, the Porsche 911 Carrera S with this surfboard on top. We also got the cardboard box that is kind of useless because you can just store the car without the plastic protection. And here is the blue one. For all of you guys that are wondering and not too familiar with Porsche, and you're saying, where is the engine? It's right here in the back. Here in the front you can store a little bit of luggage. So this one has also rubber tires, opening doors, opening hood, and a suspension. So, I mean, as I said, if you are comparing these cars, these Matchbox opening parts and these Majorette cars, I mean, the thing is, it's all about pricing. I have to say, I don't know how much these Matchbox cars cost, I don't know, in the US or something. Maybe they are cheaper than here in Europe, and then I think it's okay what you get. But if you're paying €5 for more opening parts, for inserted headlights, for rubber tires and a suspension and some pieces on the roof, I think, yeah, the choice for me are these Majorette cars. It's no question. But as I'm always saying, it's all a matter of price, and I think this one here is quite disappointing. As I said, I don't know what's going on here on the back. This does look very strange because of the missing taillights and this strange color on the tailgate. I mean, I have to take a look at the original, but I'm not really sure if that is the way it's supposed to be. So, this is the end of this video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. I say once again, thank you for watching. Happy hunting, have a good time. Until next time, bye.